Hey friends, if you encounter can't read or write for CD and DVD drives, okay, specifically for them, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one thing that you need to understand. These products are obsolete now. No one actually uses them. While it is not that they will not be accepted at all, but since no one is using them, drivers are not specifically manufactured. So here's what you have to do: search for the brand of the CD DVD drive and then write the word DVD and then drivers, or CD and then drivers, and then you can go and download its drivers, okay, from its portal. So I mean, it's not just for Sony, it is for any other, let's say, DVD or CD player. You will have to manually download the drivers, okay. In some cases the products will not even work. So this is what you have to do: you have to download the drivers, and other than this, you will have to right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. This is also important so that the drivers are also supported, because see, in many of these cases these drivers were uploaded way back, and even the DVD drive players can be very old. So this is the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.